Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make guava cheesecake. First, let's prepare our crust. Combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure it's even, then pop it into the refrigerator to chill while we prepare the filling. Now for the star of the show, the creamy cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's wonderfully smooth. Then, gently mix in 3 large eggs, one at a time, just until they are combined. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for that perfect balance. Next, let's create that beautiful guava swirl. Take 8 ounces of guava paste and combine it with 3 tablespoons of hot water in a small saucepan. Gently warm this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it becomes a smooth, pourable sauce. Once it's ready, spoon dollops of the guava sauce over your cheesecake batter and use a knife to create elegant swirls. Finally, it's time to bake and chill your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your springform pan on a baking sheet and bake for 60 to 75 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Let it cool completely on a wire rack, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight, before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.